Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my avocado that I used for my deep conditioner. If you haven't watched my last video, I'll link it above so you can watch it. So I make my own deep conditioner because I have very dry, in fact extra dry hair, extra dry 4C hair. So I make my own avocado conditioner. I'm going to show you how I make it in case you have the same issue. So I go ahead and peel the avocados. This one is really ripe. It's better to have one that is soft. You can see it's really soft to the touch. I'll actually use both. Avocado is really good. And I'll just use half of this second one. So I'm going to go ahead now and use a masher to mash it. You can actually also blend it if you want to, but I prefer to mash it. It's easier because in a blender I'll need to have a lot more for my blender to actually work well. This, guys, is my conditioner. I use this once a week and it really works with my hair. I'm going to transfer it into my container because I'm not using it straight away, so I'm going to keep it and use it later. I hope you try it, and if you do, please let me know how you find it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.